Luxury doors sound different when they close. Here's why. Close a cheap door, you hear vibration, rattling, frame movement. Now close a properly engineered luxury door, solid, controlled, silent. That sound difference is not a luxury branding. It's mechanical precision. A high performance door closes with uniform compression across the entire gasket line. The hardware pulls the shutter evenly into the frame, creating balanced pressure distribution. That's what creates the solid closing feel. Cheap systems don't maintain consistent pressure. Some points compress too much, others too little. Over time, the imbalance worsens, and that's when doors start rattling during wind pressure or traffic vibration. Window Magic systems are engineered for balanced closure force across the entire locking system, creating airtight sealing, better acoustics, and long-term stability. A luxury door should sound engineered the moment it closes.